Reading practice day 4. Stop wasting time. Stop wasting time because time once lost can never be recovered. Every moment is valuable and should be used wisely to achieve goals and improve life. People often delay important work due to laziness or fear, or I can say fear. But success comes to those who take action. If you want to grow, learn new skills, and build a better future, or I can say better future, you must act now. Discipline and focus help turn time into achievement. Remember, or you can say remember, your future depends on how you use your time today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.